Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Twitter account without email and phone number. If you're unable to log in into your Twitter account and you do not remember your contact information that you provided on your Twitter account, then what you can do is, in order to recover it, just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, and then on the search box you'll need to type in the link that is www.twitter.support.com. And once you type in the link, you'll have a list of fields. You'll need to click on the report link. As you click on the link, you'll be directed to support center, and right on top you'll be able to see a list of options. You need to click on contact us. As you click on contact us, next interface you need to click on file or report, which will be in the left hand side corner, and you'll be asked to select a category. So you'll be able to see a list of options. So you need to click on I need login and account support. Fill the space that says your Twitter name. You need to provide a username that is associated with your Twitter account, and then click on search. So then Twitter will find your account, and then you'll need to click on still need help, which will be right at the bottom. And on this interface you need to provide an email address to which they can contact you. So you need to give a valid email address, and once you do that, you can write about the issue, but then it is optional. You can just leave it blank, and you need to complete this verification process. Once you're done verifying this process, click on continue. And after that, all you have to do is wait patiently until 24 hours, and after 24 hours you might be able to recover your account. So that is how you can recover your Twitter account without email and phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.